Morning students, welcome to the online channel of KVD Academy. Today I am going to teach you subject civics of class 6, 7 and 8. Topic is fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are mentioned in the part 3 of the Indian Constitution from article 12 to article 35. And there are major 6 fundamental rights: right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, educational cultural rights, and right to constitution remedies. These are our 6 fundamental rights. First one is right to equality, second one right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religions, cultural and educational rights, and last one is right to constitution remedies. These are our 6 fundamental rights, and these rights are very important for all the citizens of India or as for the world. So these are right to, first of all, we discuss about the right to equality. You see, in the right to equality, the right states that all persons are equal before the law and the laws apply equally to all the citizens of India. Means right to equality. It means that all the citizens of India are equals, and this right is privileged for all the Indians, whether he is poor or rich person or belongs to any caste, without any discrimination. All are equal before the eyes of laws, and no one is equal before the right to religions. So this right, the right to state that all persons are equal before the law and the laws apply equally to all the citizens of India. Second one is right to freedom. Right to freedom is we have the freedom of speech and expression. We can freedom our speech, expression and determination. They don't think that we are very freedoms to murder or criminal anything, but our rights freedom is limited. The rest of freedom of speech and expression are very important here. Third one is right against exploitation. Right against exploitation means when any person can exploit you, we have the right to exploit and give you freedom and speech also, and we have the right to boycott these systems. Fourth one is right to freedom of religions. Right to freedom of religion means all are equals. There is no any particular state religion. We can apply any religion. We can take any caste, whether Hindu, Muslim, Christians, Sikh, Judaism, Jainism. We can adopt any religions without any discrimination. They were clearly mentioned in the right to freedom of religion. Means freedom of practice, propagate and profess the religions of their choice. Fifth one is cultural and educational rights. Means all minority communities, means any minority communities or major communities can set up their own educational institution to preserve and propagate their culture. When we have the right to provide any culture and religions here without any discrimination, we can adopt any cultural institution, we can go to any schools without any discrimination. Sixth one is right to constitutional remedies. Right to constitutional remedies means it is allowed to move to the court. When we think that our rights is violated, then we can go to the Supreme Court, High Court for the confidence and for the injury for our rights. That's why this right is very constitutional remedies is very important. We can apply here writ, quo warranto, habeas corpus. We can apply here and go to the court if we think that our right is violated to court. And seventh one is also the right to get educational rights also. Means we have the right to education articles in mentions that. So that's why right to there are 6 fundamental rights. First one is right to equality, right to freedoms, right against exploitations, right to freedom of religions, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitution remedies. I think all of you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.